Good day, everyone. My name is Isaac. Well, today we're going to be looking at a vowel sound. That is the only vowel sound in the English language that has a name, which is Schwa, the Schwa sound. It is sounded as we'll say Well, we're going to be focusing on 5 types of vegetables which carry this sound in them. Now, have it in mind that the Schwa sound usually take the place of unstressed vowels in words, or it take the place of unstressed syllable in words. So let's look at 5 vegetables that has the Schwa sound in them. The 5 vegetables that we'll be looking at that has the Schwa sound in them are cucumber, okra, tomato, onion, and the last one, carrot. Now notice that we didn't say cucumber, the word is cucumber. We didn't say okra, the word is okra. We didn't say onion, we go onion. And we didn't say tomato, but we say tomato. And the last one, we didn't say carrot, but the word is pronounced as carrot. I hope you've learned something about the Schwa sound today. Let's have it in mind as we make good use of that sound as we pronounce words in our English pronunciation. Thank you very much for today and have a good day. Bye.